This is the video for the setup of your CART Mass Lab. You're going to start with your LabQuest. You have to plug two things into it. The first thing is the force probe, and that cord, follow the cord all around, that goes into the side, okay, on the channels. The other one is your motion detector. The motion detector gets plugged into the back, and if you were to see the words, just a second. If you were to see the words on that, it says DIG. DIG 1, DIG 2, so like digital 1 and 2. So we're going to plug both of those things in, just a second. I'm banging all over the place. Luckily these things are sturdy. Plug that in, and when you do, you're going to see two things. You'll either see this, with the red one is the force probe, that has the glare on it, force probe, and the blue one is the position. Or you'll see, if you see this, you need to click over on the graph, and you get to this one, in which you see the force graph is probably going to be on the top, position graph is going to be on the bottom. Okay, so that sets it up. Here's this. So that's the LabQuest. Let's look at what the setup should be. You have the cart. On the cart is the force probe. The force probe sits on top of a relatively loose screw. It just kind of helps keep it in position, and so that you can do this. Okay, so the force probe has the string attached to it. The string goes over the flywheel, over the pulley, and you see here that it has a mass on the end, and the mass rests very close to the center of the pulley. This is a little bit messed up, so what we're going to do is you adjust one or the other. I adjusted the track, or you could adjust the motion detector until the mass is right on top of that center. So with that, you've got the entire thing set up, and it's time to take data. So the way you're going to take the data, just 1 second. All right, cancel. All right, so you have this screen right here. You're going to use that lower right there. That's where you're going to start your data. You pull back the cart like so. Pull it all the way back as far as you can. And you fix that. Just a sec. What the heck? Alright. So you're going to make that so it sets up. You're going to hold on to this. Okay. Hold on to this, hit the play button on the bottom. You ready? Let it go. All right, and from this point on, you're going to watch the second video, which talks about analyzing your data, which will be probably this part right here, because that's where it went. All right, there you go.